video, we will discuss about Azure AI vision capability to analyze videos. So until now, we have been looking at on analyzing images, extracting the text from the images, right? So now we will look at how it can be utilized to analyze videos. See, we all know in today's world, videos are common way to share information. So you can record a live event on your phone, or there is a teleconference that includes some webcam footage and slides. So these videos contain lot of valuable information, right? But extracting this information to do some analysis or you want to search for some information can be really challenging, right? So that's where Azure Video Indexer comes handy. So what is this Azure Video Indexer? Azure Video Indexer is a very powerful tool that helps you to analyze videos. Basically, it can extract valuable insights and make your video content searchable and easier to work with. So you can make out lot of information from your videos using Azure Video Indexer. So it has got lot of capabilities. So you can understand or you can learn how to get the specific information from your videos. So when it comes to Azure Video Indexer, you have got many key capabilities which you can use to extract lot of information from your videos that is needed as per your requirement. Like you want to do automatic metadata extraction, right? So if you want to extract some kind of metadata about the people in the video or the text that is spoken in the video, so you can do that. Then you can do sentiment analysis. So you can analyze the tone or the sentiment of the words that is being spoken in the content of your video. Then you can do face detection and recognition. You can identify people, objects that is appearing in your videos. You can do speech transcription. So if you want to completely create a transcription of your spoken words in the form of text, then you can go for speech transcription feature. So you have other features like you can do OCR, you can do content moderation, you can do scene and object detection, where you can detect different scenes or segments that is present in your video. You can also identify some key terms and the topics that is being discussed in your video. So it supports multiple languages for your transcription and analysis. So you can happily use this particular Azure Video Indexer to get insights that are specific to your needs. So these are the inbuilt capabilities of your Azure Video Indexer. So when it comes to custom insights, let's say you have some kind of requirement where you want to identify some faces of the people or you want to recognize them in the videos, then you can go for custom insights feature, wherein you can train a model based on the data set that you have of the people or of the specific faces that you want to recognize in your videos. So these are the predefined models that can recognize well-known celebrities, do OCR and transcribe spoken phrases into text. But let's say if you have a requirement where you want to extract some insights, or let's say you want to recognize some specific faces or specific people, or you want to recognize some specific brand names for your business, or you want to train your model for some specific terminology, you want to extract some specific terms or some text that is designed for some specific language, then you can go with custom insights extraction feature. For that you need to design a custom models wherein you can use these specific faces to train your model. But here you need to make sure that you have the limited access approval and responsible AI adherence. So you need to obtain the approval from Microsoft Azure so that you can use those faces to train your model. So you can train to detect and transcribe organization specific terminology. So you can use this particular feature to train your model so that it can extract some specific terminology which is specific to a particular requirement. Or you can also train to recognize specific brand names which is relevant to your business. Okay, next we have Azure Video Analyze Widgets and API. Now, what is this Azure Video Analyze Widgets? So now, in order to utilize this particular service in our application or integrate it in our application, we have got two different options. Using Video Analyzer Widgets or using Azure Video Indexer REST API. So what is this widgets? So these are the pre-built components that you can easily integrate into your website or application to display video insights. And what is API? API is the programmatic interfaces that will allow you to access and use video indexer capabilities in your applications. So let me give you an example. So imagine you have a recorded long conference with lot of speakers and you want to make that content searchable so that you can quickly find a particular speaker talked about a specific topic. So first you will have to upload your conference. So now when it comes to widgets, how you can use widgets in your application? So these widgets will allow you to embed the video analysis capabilities directly into your own custom HTML interfaces. This means that you can share specific video insights with others without giving them full access to your Azure Video Indexer account. So you can embed the widgets used in Azure Video Indexer portal to play, analyze and edit videos in your custom web pages. So as I said, you can share the video insights without giving full account access to your Azure Video Indexer. So you can just share these widgets which will give the complete video insights to the person. So example is, let's say if you have analyzed a video and you want to share the insights with your team. So instead of giving full access to your Azure Video Indexer portal, you can embed a widget in your web application that will display the video and also its insights. Now when it comes to Azure Video Indexer API, it is a REST API provided by Azure Video Indexer that will allow you to automate the video indexing tasks like managing your project, retrieving the insights, and handle any custom models programmatically. So here you will be having the endpoint where you will retrieve the access token first. First you need to obtain the access token in order to use this particular functionality. And then once you retrieve the access token, you provide the access token in your next call where you actually going to analyze your video, or you trying to extract the insights from your video. So here you will get the video details once you provide the token in your call. And the response will be in the form of JSON here as well. And apart from these two features, you can use ARM template deployment also to deploy your Azure AI video indexer resource with using specific parameters. So by integrating your Azure video indexer widgets and API into your applications, you can streamline video analysis and make the insights easily accessible by your team. So this kind of approach saves time and ensures that valuable information from your video content is effectively utilized. So this was all about Azure Video Analyze feature of your Azure AI Vision service. Thank you.